Everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing an overview and all the features of Bot. So this is Alice Blue's back office transformation software. So let's go to Bot platform. So in order to visit this website on your internet browser, go to bot.aliceblueonline.com. So once you're here in this website, you can see some of the major, some of the basics of the Alice Blue platform. And in order to log in here, just select the login button in the top right hand corner and it'll show you your login page. So you can enter using your Alice Blues account ID and password. Once you finish typing that in, select the sign in button. Then it'll ask you for your verification questions. So once you answer the verification questions, select the submit button. It'll load and it'll load the bot dashboard page. So using the bot platform, you can do many of the changes that you need to do. You want to do to your account in Alice Blue. So let's look at the dashboard here. So this dashboard gives you a quick snapshot view of your account, how much you have in commodity and in equity, and then in the bot left hand side of the dashboard page, you can see all of the menu options provided to you. So you can hide this using the three lines here. So this is the menu button. Once you select it, you can shrink and expand this to your preference. Now let's see the exposure request in the left hand side. We'll go through each of these features. So in the exposure request, you have the options exposure page. So this gives you some of the terms and conditions and all of the details that you need to do to make an option exposure request. So you can see the option exposure request, the expiry date, all the terms and conditions, and when this request should be given, from which time to which time, the number of remaining days, and all of those details. You can access them here. Then for the futures option, also there's a separate page giving you all of the details that you need to know. So that is exposures request. Next is the commodity declarations. And then we have the margin trading facility. So if there's any SEBI circular regarding the margin trading or any details that you need to know, you can always check the bot website and get all of your details. What rights you have as a client of Alice Blue, what are your obligations, and if there are any information, you can check these here. You'll also be intimated through email. So please be updated on all of the information you need to do as trading in the stock market. So you can see all of the rights for the stockbrokers, the stockbroker obligations. So if you want to get more information, you can always select the SEBI circular and it will lead you to the PDF page giving you more details on the topic. As you can see, it will directly lead you to the circular provided by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Now let's see. You can also check your Digi referrals in the bot website. So once you click the rewards and referral section, you can use this to refer your friend. So you can type in their name, their email ID, their mobile number, the state they live in, and all of the details. Once you select it and enter all of these details, you can select the submit button and refer these friends to Alice Blue. So once you refer a friend and they create their account, you can earn 10% income for each trade. So the company's revenue gained from this referred person, you will get a 10% revenue of that income. So of this, you can look at all of your DigiLeads. If you have referred around 10 people, you can check in this section to see how these people, the status, and whether they have fully completed creating their accounts or not. You can even see the DigiLink referrals. You can, next in the menu option, you can check all of your profile details. If you want to check all of your name details, you want to change any of your email ID, you can do that here. You can even change your mobile number and you can even request address modification. You can check your bank account details and other details. Then you have the day wise positions, which shows you all of the positions, and your unrealized profit and loss, your realized profit and loss will all appear here. You can get a snapshot view of all of your holdings, all the stocks you're currently holding in your demat account. You can check your ledger. So this will provide you the ledger details. So this is the data from the current financial year to date. Then in the next section we have is Alice Express. So this gives you the recent news updates in the stock market world and all the inf- recent information that you need to be updated on. And then lastly we have the Market Talk. So this is Alice Blue's own publication. So this will give you all of the details provided by Alice Blue's research analysts and experts. So you can look at the morning talk, the weekly talk, and all of these details so that you can stay updated before you trade every morning. They will, the research analysts working with in Alice Blue can provide you good information and guide you in your trading strategy and process. So that is Alice Blue's bot website, the basics, and now let's look at other details. So that was the menu option provided here. Now in the top we have the commodity declaration, which has been provided here, is again repeated here. You can also check your profile from this button here. So this will again lead you to the same page. So that is the entire platform of bot of provided to you by Alice Blue. If you want to make any changes, you can use the bot platform in Alice Blue. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel.